Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness
so much trust on me and Rantika and asking us to give this speech, knowing that we know all the dirty little secrets of this relationship which started 12 years ago. Chandana, remember the Valentine's Day in 2001? Do you remember? Where you made your first move with chocolates and roses. He was just 14, guys, just 14, and had just started wearing long pants. I still remember the day. There are stories they could tell their grandkids, which I would not mention out of total respect. I know him for 20 over years, and her for 12 years, 12 plus years. The same duration as the relationship. And it's him who made us best friends, with a hidden agenda. She's a girl with a kindest heart, exceptionally down to earth, brought up with the best of qualities and gifted with the loveliest smile I've ever seen. Basically, she was the girl next door. And he's alright. He was the guy who fought with me, who annoyed me, who bullied me in primary school. He always competed with me to become first in class. Having known him for 20 over years, I must say that he's one in a million in many, many ways, and I know it very well.
Thank you very much, Jayashree. Okay, for me to start with, I would like to say a few words about my quest to become Masina. I thought the best thing compatible with me would be his appetite. When it comes to food, I know he kind of has the same appetite as mine, liking the same food, and he backs pretty well too. Sometimes leading us to wonder when he will be finishing his plate. Hopefully it won't happen today. I know his tummy would give all of us evidence of what I say to you now. And despite that, what is great about him is that he has very good road discipline. Putting from every corner possible, driving really fast, thinking of the passenger comfort at its maximum. Ironically though, I think I also have the opportunity open up for me to say a bit about my sister. She started believing in my words ever since she was a kid. You all can see my lovely sister seated in the head table over there. So she started believing in my words ever since she was a kid. And there's a slight cut mark in her hands which I gifted her when I was a little kid. I don't know whether it's visible today because it's covered from the bridle. What happened that day was that she stole my eraser and claimed that it was hers, which provoked me out of limits, and I reprimanded that if she doesn't give me what I really belong, I would cut her hand. Yet for her sweetness, she didn't believe in what I warned of. And in a jiffy, I kept my words. Henceforth, she realized that I am a brother of my own words. There's also little fights happen then and happening now too, when it comes to eating. She always look at my plate, whether she can eat well or not. A very bad habit indeed. I hope would go out of her life, at least after marriage. Chandana, you have to deal with it and remedy that. So, let me invite Jayashree Ranavira, maid of honor of the day, to raise the toast on behalf of the sweet couple, and she may conclude the speech. Thank you, everyone.
I could not imagine a better bride for Chandana and a better groom for Sandaru. Today is a celebration of not only where they are now, but the road that has brought them here. They have built a beautiful life together. I think you all will join me in this wish. Sandaru and Chandana, may you live forever in love, and may love live forever in you. So everybody, let's toast for this beautiful couple.
Let us all raise our glasses for the beautiful couple and their happiness henceforth.
Come on, everyone!
That was a good cheer. Thanks for bearing with us. Thank you. And his word of thanks for all the guests who have attended today. And after that, we'll be rushing to the dinner. So have patience. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen,